Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ty Monet and I love to post hair videos, natural hair videos at that. But today I just wanted to give you guys a quick routine on how I get a sleek low bun on my curly hair. And yeah, if you guys like it, please like the video, comment, definitely subscribe for more content, and let's get into the video. So I'm starting out on pretty damp hair. I had just washed my hair, and I think that that's the best way for me to achieve this sleek bun. So right now I'm just gonna section my hair off into 3 separate sections, which will be 2 separate sections in the front, and then I will leave the back section out. And if you guys have watched me before, then you know that I'm going to sleek my hair down with this Eco Styler. It's my favorite gel just because it has a really good hold, and that is the amount that I'm going to put on this back section. I'm going to focus on this section first because I want to make sure that the back of my hair does not have that little hump. I don't know if you guys have ever done like a low ponytail or a low bun and then you've had that hump in the back. Yeah, I hate that. So to me, doing these 3 sections and focusing on brushing this section down, I brush with like a thick bristle brush and then I brush with this tangle teaser. I feel like doing this makes sure that the first thing that you do is make sure that you don't have that hump. So this is a very, very important step for me. And I will continue to brush this section over and over with both this brush and the tangle teaser until it is flat. So at this point, I did feel like my hair was flat enough to go ahead and tie it down with a ponytail holder, and this is what I'll be using. Nothing fancy, just whatever I've gotten from Walmart. So I go ahead and make sure that I'm tying it down from the bottom of my nape, and I'm just going to twist it around like 2 or 3 times. You don't want it to be too tight, especially if you're going to wear this like over multiple days. You don't want it tight because you do not want it pulling out your hair. And this is how flat I've gotten it in the back. So this is how it will look once you get it in your bun. It'll be nice and flat, no humps. Thank God. So now that I've got this back piece together, I'm going to go ahead and focus on the front 2 sections, and I'm gonna go ahead and take those down, and I'm gonna actually section those 2 sections so that there's a top portion that's kind of sectioned off by itself. And the reason why I do that is just because the 2 little sections that you'll see on the side, I want them to flow a certain way. And yeah, look at this knot, look at this. And I wasn't even being gentle. Oh my gosh, now I'm being gentle. Gently get out the knots. Don't go crazy. Here's the section that I'm telling you guys about. I want to make sure that the top section is going back, just straight back, in the bottom sections. I just want them to go a little bit down to the side. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a second once I start brushing them down. Everything is parted in a way so that I can sleek it down really, really nice and flat to my head. This point, you've probably noticed that I do use a good amount of gel to achieve this sleek look. To me, it is imperative, and I really love the Eco Styler because, like I said, it does give you a really good hold. Because I may or may not be lazy, and I'm probably gonna wear this style for a couple days in a row, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you, okay? I don't really need to touch it up or anything. As long as I wear a scarf to bed, my edges, my bun, everything will be laid down the same. So call me lazy, it is what it is. So this is my hair after I've been brushing and brushing. Y'all, it does require a good amount of brushing. It is a quick hairstyle, but making sure that you have the correct gel and making sure that you have, a brush that's gonna tame your hair, that's exactly what you need. So I'm just gonna keep brushing until it looks like it's nice and flat to me. If you're wondering, yes, my arms hurt at this point from all that brushing. So I'm just going to take 2 ponytail holders this time. Last time you guys saw me use just 1 ponytail holder, but this time I'm going to use 2 to grab all of this hair. I'm going to wrap it around just a couple times. Again, you don't need this. At this point, I thought about wrapping it around a 3rd time, but I was like, okay, that's a little tight. I actually need my edges, so I only wrapped it around twice. So here I'm just showing you guys how my hair stayed nice and flat even after I put those last 2 sections all together with my first section. It's really nice and flat to my head. And honestly, I was thinking, I could wear this as a ponytail. I was feeling it. I thought it looked really cute, but I wanted a low bun, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So I'm just going to make sure that it feels nice and tight to me. And if you guys know anything about this stuff, it's the Murray's pomade. I do use this to also slick down my hair just to make sure that it stays nice and sleek. So I put a little bit on my edges and a little further back just to make sure that everything stays in place. This is something that y'all can skip. I'm just extra. If y'all know, you know, this is my toothbrush. This is what I use to slick down my edges. I refuse to use one of those fancy edge brushes, okay? So at this point, I'm just twisting my hair around. I'll keep twisting until it feels nice and tight, and then I'll twist it around in a circular motion to start my bun. And then I'll wrap all the excess around and put another ponytail holder over. And I don't put that one on tight. You see that there's a lot of looseness left, so I kind of just twist it around my fingers and tuck it just so that it won't be tight, because you just tucked all your edges in and now this ponytail holder is over your edges. You just want to be gentle to your hair, okay guys? So this is my low bun, nice and sleeked. And so of course the last step that you're going to do is your baby hair. Just fleek them, guys. However you like your baby hair, go ahead and set those with your toothbrush and or your brush, your edge brush, whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll come back with my finished look. And here is the finished product. My edges are laid nicely, super sleek bun. This style, literally, I can achieve it in less than 15 minutes, sometimes around 10 minutes, and it is my go-to for sure. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to my channel for more content, and leave a comment on what you guys thought. See you next time. Bye.